Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Well. Today we are going to be allocating out my YouTube paycheck. There is going to be a little surprise in there, so I suggest that you continue watching to find out. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of the Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It's free 99 and it costs you nothing.
If it's free, it's for me.
Zip, zilch, zero, nada. To hit that subscribe button. Sorry about the background, guys. Just the sun is going down. And this is where the best light is. I'm going to have the video over here on the side for us. So let's get right into this YouTube paycheck. So YouTube check came in at $178. That's rounded down. There was some change and I just went 178. That money is currently sitting in my YouTube boss account. Then we're going to take 10% out for tithes and offering, and that's $18. Let's see if I can make this bigger, y'all. And I think I've done it. Okay, so tithes will come out at 10% for $18, rounded up, and that'll go to my Ally account for tithes. And then taxes will be 20%, which rounds up to $36. That'll also go to a bucket in Ally. I have Capital One accounts and I also have Ally accounts. I do like Ally. At first I had thought I had a problem with them, but they seem to be okay now. The money transfers very easily. If you're thinking about getting an Ally, I would say, okay, they're doing good. They're good. They're good for me. I may have a link down to sign up under my code, but I don't think I get anything right now. But I would say they're good to go. Next, we have Killabill. We're still using Killabill, but now we've moved from Care Credit to saving for paying off that security equipment bill so we can get that $43.20 back in the account sooner rather than later. There's $20 going to that. In our emergency fund re-up, which is where we're calculating how much money we got saved to emergency fund, y'all know that one of my quarter goals is to save for an additional $1,000 to go into the emergency fund. Currently, there's about 3 something in the emergency fund, I think, right now. So we've got about 7 something to go or 6 something to go. We're going to put $59 of this money in there. So shout out to y'all for watching.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That's going to go in a Capital One account called Emergency Re-Up. Then we have $25 that's going to stay in our YouTube Boss account. I usually keep something in the YouTube Boss account in case I need to ship something out or we need to maybe save for a mailbox or something that has to do just with the business. I'm actually thinking currently that I need to start saving for things like Epidemic Sound and also my Canva subscription because I did not put any money away for those because I just started using them now. I do need to start figuring out a plan of what subscriptions I owe for the year, what dates they renew, and how much I'm going to put away each month for that. And if I get a paycheck, I need to start putting money away in subscriptions for the things that have to do with the business. So maybe we can take them as business write-offs. So 25 will be going there. Then we have a giveaway, guys. So excited about that. Y'all know that we were doing giveaways prior to this, but because we were paying the Care Credit, I had to stop because we needed to refocus our money on paying off debt. So I'm happy to say giveaways, at least this one will be back because we got a little extra money and I can and I feel like it. So we're going to do $20 giveaway. I know it's not much, but I hope that you guys appreciate it because I want to show my appreciation for you guys taking the time out of your day and watching my videos. Like, you have things you could be doing, and even if you just keep me on in the background and listen to the ads, I appreciate you because that helps get me a little paycheck here and there. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I am super grateful for you. I mean that when I say that. So in order to, and then the total is 178, which is the amount of the check, and so we have 0, which is where we want to be. Let me shut this off. So I'm very happy that we're having a giveaway. These are the rules. You have to be a United States resident. Unless you guys know, can I send money internationally? I don't even know, y'all. Like, can you Zelle or Cash App internationally? If so, then you're okay. But if not, then I'd say it's just US residents. And then you have to be 18 years or older. And you also have to okay. You also have to be okay with sharing either your your Cash App or Zelle information with me, as well as email if you choose to go the gift card route. So this time I'm going to allow cash as an option, so you can choose whatever you want to do. You can add it into your own budget, you can put it away as a bill, you can save it, or you can just have a treat yourself moment. Or if you know of a retailer where I will be able to email you, of course you have to be okay with an email, where I can email you, you can also send me the place you want the gift card for, and I will buy it and email you the gift card. I'm okay with that. So here are the rules outside of the adults being subscribed. Of course, you need to be subscribed to this channel. Just this channel, nowhere else, not Instagram, not TikTok, just here. What you need to do is just incorporate the word fall. Like, I'm loving the fall weather, or the fall weather sucks by me, or oh no, I slipped and had a fall. However you want to use the word, noun, verb, adjective, all the things. It doesn't matter. Just do not hashtag fall. If you hashtag fall, I will not be including you in the giveaway, because I don't like when people who really don't watch my video and are not really invested in me do that. You know, do not just write fall in your comment. Write it in a sentence, be creative any way you want. If you feel like that's too much, then you do not have to enter. However, if you want to enter for this $20, I know it's not much, y'all, but if you want to be entered for $20, listen, if it's free, it's for me, then go ahead and use the word fall in a creative way or just a regular way. Just don't make it so conspicuous. Very inconspicuous. But that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed how I broke down my YouTube check. If you have comments on how you would have broke it down a little bit better, let me know down in the comments. I'm always interested. Maybe I'm missing something. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you've got to be grateful. Super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. I love you. Mean it. Bye.